Hello and welcome to Citrix Patching Made Easy by MassCat. So what is MassCat? MassCat is a mass catalog update utility for Citrix. It enables you to update multiple catalogs in as few as 3 clicks. So what problem are we trying to solve with MassCat? Well, if you've ever performed Windows patching or just had to update several machine catalogs at once, you know it's kind of a tedious process that can be subject to human error. I mean, we've all had our mouse slip once or twice, right? With MassCat, these steps are eliminated, creating a faster and more precise experience. To give a comparison, let's look at updating a catalog the traditional method versus MassCat. So let's begin by seeing how long this would take in Citrix Studio. To begin, you'll want to launch Citrix Studio via the Start menu. Once you've clicked on Citrix Studio, it'll spend about 10 to 30 seconds to actually expand out Citrix Studio. This is just loading to MMC and just typically depends on the speed of your infrastructure. Once Citrix Studio is loaded, you'll want to navigate to Machine Catalogs in the left pane and then find the respective catalog that you would like to update. Right-click on that catalog and select Update Machines. Once you've done that, the Updates Machine portion will actually go through and itemize all the machines that are available for you based on your hosting configuration. You'll want to select the machine that you want to actually update and then drill down to the necessary snapshot that you want to update to. Depending on the number of snapshots you had, this could take a while. Next, you want to pick a rollout strategy, whether or not you want it to update based on the scheduled reboots or whether or not you just want it to update immediately. Lastly, you'll want to click Finish. Once you've selected Finish, you will see a progress bar appear on that machine catalog in the form of a green translucent bar. Make sure to just watch that until it's completed. Now let's have a look how this would look with MassCat. You'll want to click on the MassCat icon on your desktop. Once you do that, it'll actually launch a selection window where you can select one catalog or multiple catalogs. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll select one catalog and click OK. Once that's complete, this MassCat window will sit in the background and until all jobs are complete. Do not close it out. Once the jobs are complete, this will close out and all your catalogs will be updated. If you want to have a look to see at the current status of them, you can always go within Citrix Studio itself. And if you click on Citrix Studio in the top left pane, you'll come back with Common Tasks and Actions in the middle pane. You'll want to click on Actions and denote that the catalog item there, Test Catalog 2, is being updated, and it is a background action. That means it's been initiated via MassCat. So if you will, just monitor it there, and once they're completed, they are done. MassCat works based on a 2-minute rotating period, so catalogs that are updated simultaneously via the MassCat tool are actually updated on a 2-minute rolling cycle just to prevent any congestion with storage. To give a better understanding of what that time frame comparison looks like, let's look at Citrix Studio. So Citrix Studio, you're going to have about 30 seconds for the launch. After you go through the repetitive tasks of choosing the catalog, choosing the snapshot, and the rollout strategy per catalog, you're probably sitting at about 1.5 minutes per catalog. After you do one, guess what? You gotta go back and do another catalog. With MassCat, on the other hand, you literally just run MassCat, select the catalogs you want updated, and that's it. You wait for completion, so you're sitting there in an unattended fashion, really. So you could literally go walk the dog, grab a coffee, play some darts, do whatever, but you don't have to sit there and click the buttons over and over and over to make the ball keep going. So what are some of the limitations of MassCat? Well, since MassCat was built with automation in mind, it inherently cannot update a catalog based off of a snapshot that is not its parent VM. Secondly, MassCat is intended to work hand in hand with your existing delivery group configurations. They likely already have reboot schedules defined. Should you need to perform an immediate deployment of the updates, you'll need to reboot the machines in Citrix Studio directly. As far as requirements go, MassCat has been tested with on-premise deployments only. And lastly, MassCat is designed to be ran from a Citrix delivery controller hosting your Citrix Studio connection as it relies on the local integrations. Thank you very much.